Yo, yo.
Inside it is cool.
Inside it is cool.
It smells of the earth.
It smells of the earth.
It smells of the fields ready for planting.
It smells of the fields ready for planting.
Thomas helps bring in little wooden stools.
Thomas helps
Bring
in little wooden shoes.
Everyone sits down.
Everyone sits down.
This is the moment they have been waiting for. The teacher brings in a blackboard.
The teacher brings in a blackboard.
Good. On it, she writes a letter.
On it, she writes a letter.
A, says the teacher.
A, says the teacher.
A, says Thomas with the other children.
A, says Thomas with the other children.
The teacher writes the letter with big strokes in the air.
The teacher writes the letter with big strokes in the air.
In the air.
In the air.
The students do the same over and over.
Thus, students do the same over.
Wonderful, says the teacher.